Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Another comfy night. I had a nice fire last night, and all that's left since I'm all packed up is to put the fire out. And we're about 30 minutes or so from Missoula, so I'll head into town, grab some breakfast, and then figure out a place to stay and check out Missoula. I had a nice owl keeping me company all night, hooting away. No hollering though. These guys came at like 4 a.m. or something. I think we only have a couple of kilometers on the dirt here, and then it's paved road the rest of the way to Missoula. A beautiful sunrise for the cows. Welcome to Missoula. Let's see what I paid for. This guy's a super host and I'm a super host, so I know what to expect. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Perfect. I'm just gonna settle in and shower up, get the laundry going, maybe check out town or something. Wandered into the downtown area and I had a little workout, and then I went to some fancy steakhouse, $18.89 for a delicious steak dinner. And if you can believe it, it turns out the steak that I had comes from the Double R Ranch. And the Double R Ranch is where the farmer Ken, when I got the flat tire in Washington, that's the cattle that he runs. What are the odds on that I came to Montana and had a steak from the same guy that saved me last month? Well, I'm just doing a wash, gonna have a shower. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.